All right, rock and roll.
Let's do it.
We're going pirate style. Arg.
Barrels and all.
All right, so this is a brand new vintage of Santa Maria Valley Pinot Noir. This is from a single vineyard. This wine is about 5 months old. To read the barrel, it says 2007, 23rd barrel. Francois Ferrer is the name of the barrel builder in France from the Vosges forest, and it is a heavy toast barrel. So that gives you kind of an idea on how to read the barrel. It has some very nice color to it. Pinot Noir can be very, very light color, somewhere between garnet and ruby. Should be very bright, cherry fruit, maybe a little bit of raspberry. If we decide how to blend this wine and how to make it into a final J. Wilkes wine, we also have 3 other vineyards that we can blend in. So we have all the different vineyards to blend to make the wine, all the different oak treatment to blend in the wine, and then we can decide what percentage of each goes into the final wine.
So you're not taking directly from one barrel, putting it in a bottle?
No, it takes a lot, many days of blending trials, and we really challenge ourselves during the blending trials. We may spend 2 or 3 days just blending this wine.
You guys are like fortune tellers, man. I mean, you need to see now and you need to see the future.
Our main focus is to make the wine delicious on release, and we just know that the vineyard sources have a great capacity for aging, and great wine takes care of itself. I would say 5 years is where the magic happens between losing the baby fat and starting to show the more delicate and complex aromas that emerge when the wine has been aged properly.
Try it out.
Definitely get a little bit of toast from the oak, a little of that gaminess, big bright cherry fruit. Good color. Pinot Noir is the most frustrating and ephemeral grape in the world to handle in the cellar because it tastes different every day. Taste it every day for a week, 2 weeks, a month, and then if you figure that the wine needs something or maybe that barrel needs to be taken out of the blend, that's when you do it. Pinot Noir will challenge my belief that everything can be understood through science and laboratory analysis. I think it would be a perfect opportunity to toast Jeff Wilkes. We'll continue making great wines in your name.
Thank you to Jeff. Thank you to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You bet.